Vivo X100 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro. Front-facing camera, which one will overexpose the sky greatly. Wow, check out the Vivo, and I'm out of the frame. It should compensate quickly. You see the difference? Okay, it is windy, so I'll most likely use the noise cancellation in post-production. Check out the sky. Ooh, now that is a significant difference in the front-facing camera. They're both in 4K 60 frames per second. Again, full length of my arm, vlogging style. I'm commenting what I see on the smartphone screen, and on the Vivo we do have a sharper image. Now the question is, do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Look at the show of details on the iPhone. Ooh. And on Vivo, also great. They both really good in the autofocus department. Okay, that's the front-facing camera. What about the main lens and the wide angle? Wide angle lens, 0.5 on the iPhone, 0.6 on the Vivo. Is it distorted? Not really, but we do have a little bit of colors. There it is. There you go. A little bit of colors. Alright, the question is, do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? What does that mean? It means macro mode. Yes, in both of them available. Why do you need autofocus in the wide angle lens? For example, if you want to show something in great details, you can in both of them. That is great. But sometimes you have to focus on the reflective surface, and Vivo is killing it. Video stabilization, vlogging style. If you want to vlog from those smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. Wide angle, really nice. All right, let's continue. Really nice. Maybe it's time for Telephoto, but before we start, there's an advantage in the Vivo which none of the iPhone have. It means switching lenses during the recording, front and back. With Vivo, I could switch just like that during the recording in 4K 60. How sick is that? Cinematic mode, full length of my arm, blurring the background. They both pretty amazing. Let me find some walkers. 3.7 and 5 on the iPhone. Alright, let's do 5 in both of them. 10x. 10x and 10x in both of them. Do you see the difference? That's 20x and 15x for the iPhone. And if we go back with the Vivo to 15x, do we see the difference? Maybe. You'll see a better difference in the photo department when the Vivo is all the way to 100x. That's the maximum for the iPhone, 25 and 25 for Vivo. See, the difference is insane. And with the Vivo, you can go way further, all the way to 100. In the realm of photos, iPhone has a little bit better color accuracy, but with Vivo, you have tons of features, filters, all kinds of settings, so you can do magic with it. Let me leave you with those pictures. I'll come back to you in a second.
At the first look, there is not so much difference. The difference is in the moon, but other than that, it looks very similar. But if we turn around, then look at the castle. Look at the castle on the right. Do you see the difference? Now that is a significant difference. So, any distortions? A little bit, here and there. But in the end, they both pretty good.
Front-facing camera. Oh, that's a difference. iPhone, much better. Then what did we learn? And we learned that they both fantastic, best in the market. But price to performance, Vivo is nearly half the price of the latest iPhone. What do you think? Which one is better? Let me know in the comment below. Personally, I think Vivo is still #1 mobile camera smartphone in the world.